Hey there. In this video, I'll show you some cool ways to manipulate strings in Python. First things first, let's create a variable called name and assign it a value. You can use your own name if you want. The len method is a handy way to find the length of a string. Just surround your string with len, and it will return the length of your string. For example, len name returns the length of the string assigned to name. The find method is used to find the first index of a character or a substring in a string. Just call find on your string and pass in the character or substring you want to find. It will return the first index where it's found. For example, name.findJ returns 0 because J is the first character in the string assigned to name. Remember, Python starts counting from 0. Want to capitalize the first letter of your string? Use capitalize. This method only capitalizes the first letter of the first word. If there are more words in your string, it won't capitalize those. Upper is a method that converts your entire string to uppercase. Lower is the opposite of upper. It converts your entire string to lowercase. IsDigit is a method that checks if your string contains only digits, 0, 9. It returns true if all the characters in your string are digits, and false otherwise. Isalpha is a method that checks if your string contains only alphabetic characters, AZ or AZ. It returns true if all the characters in your string are alphabetic, and false otherwise. The replace method is used to replace a character or a substring in your string with another character or substring. Just call replace on your string and pass in the character or substring you want to replace, and the character or substring you want to replace it with. Count is a method that counts the number of times a character or a substring appears in your string. Call count on your string and pass in the character or substring you want to count. It will return the number of occurrences. This isn't technically a method, but it's a really neat feature in Python. You can display a string multiple times by multiplying that string by a given number. Just write your string followed by asterisk, and the number of times you want to display it. And that's it. These are just a few useful methods available to us for strings in Python. Have fun exploring and experimenting with them.